The OPPO Find N2 Flip looks strikingly familiar. No bumps, no interruptions, no compromises. Creating the perfect flat-screen folding phone isn't easy. At OPPO, we challenge ourselves constantly. Can we make it lighter, more durable, like a traditional phone, with an innovative foldable experience? The answer to everything had to be yes. We upgraded the hinge structure, adding a quarter spindle element, so you can use the phone part folded. While the new hinge design and superior seal defense against dust, our screen had to be strong and flexible. So we tested multiple materials to find the perfect solution, opting for precision etching across the flexible stainless steel plate and pliable plastic for even more support. So when it's open flat, you can use the phone as you would any other, and when folded shut, the reticular matrix plate adjusts precisely within the hinge. From drops to tumbles, it's proven to withstand a lifetime of use before leaving the factory. It's independently tested by TÜV Rheinland and can handle 400,000 folds at room temperature, perform perfectly up to -20 degrees, and even in 50-degree heat with the ability to fold 100,000 times. Engineering excellence creates a harmony of parts that move together as one. Welcome to the flip side.